Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to fix sound or audio issues in Assassin's Creed Black Flag Resynced game. So without wasting time, here follow the steps very carefully. So the first fix is 2 steps to fix sound problem or audio problem in Assassin's Creed Black Flag Resynced game. So open Windows settings. On the left, click on System, click on Sound, scroll down. Under advanced option, click on more sound settings. Now select your default device, for example speakers, and then click on properties. Then go to the spatial sound tab. From the drop down, select off option first, then hit on apply, OK, and then go ahead, launch the game and check. If that doesn't work and if spatial sound is already set to off, then from drop down select Windows Sonic for headphones, then hit on apply, OK, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your sound or audio problem is fixed or not. Next fix is to make sure sound levels in game is set to 100%. So look for the audio settings within the Assassin's Creed Black Flag Resynced game menu and make sure that the volume and other audio settings are correctly configured. Make sure the volume bars are set to 100%. Further, if you are using headphones, then you may like to try using speakers to see if any sounds play or not. Now if you are using a Bluetooth headphones or if you are using a Bluetooth speaker, then here follow the steps to fix the sound or audio problem. So right click the Bluetooth icon in the system tray, select show Bluetooth devices, scroll to the bottom and select more devices and printer setting. Then right click your headphone and select properties. Then go to the services tab, uncheck hands-free telephony, remote control and remotely controllable device. Then hit on apply and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if a problem is solved or not. Fix 4. Set default sound device. Click on the sound icon in the system tray and make sure your system volume is set to 100%. Then select your audio device above your system volume. Select the sound device you're using for the game. After the sound device is selected, restart the game and then test it for the improvement. Fix 5 is to disconnect additional peripheral devices. Your sound settings can be altered by additional peripherals devices. So disconnect any such peripheral devices that are not necessary, such as USB devices, camera, phone, etc. and then check. So I hope by following these fixes, you can easily solve sound or audio issues in Assassin's Creed Black Flag Resynced game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.